In this video, we will show the best beds available to buy. At number 10. Sani Portable Furniture Single Folding Bed. It is strong and durable, portable, foldable, long life, sound sleep, powder-coated, rust and corrosion-free, easy to use, easy to carry and no assembling needed. At number 9. Furniture Craft Atlanta Queen Size Metal Bed. The metal furniture made of carbon steel is usually very sturdy. Since carbon steel is an alloy of carbon and iron, it is durable and wear-resistant. At number 8. Rajasthan Crafts Mattress Double Bed. This can be machine washed on warm and tumble dried on low. The product is entirely synthetic. This is quite comfortable. At number 7. Amazon brand, Salima Polaris Engineered Wood Queen Bed. Engineered wood and European standard particle board used to build a sturdy frame. It comes with spacious box storage for storing clothes, toys, linens, etc. At number 6. Deckup Deucen Queen Size Bed. It is a novel method of saving up space in your home to accommodate more stuff in the comfort of your home. The furniture is made from engineered wood and is dark wenge in color. At number 5. Bestway Flocked Single Air Bed. The product requires basic assembly and comes with assembly instructions. Bestway's flocked air bed with enclosure of velvet for ease and comfortability. At number 4. Camabeds Smart Single Folding Guest Bed. The product is delivered in a pre-assembled state. Bed size, single, width of the product is smaller than the standard size, not recommended for daily use. At number 3. PARVESH Smart Niwar Folding Bed. PARVESH is make various types of folding beds. They used high quality of material. Niwar Folding Bed is one of these beds. Material used, main frame, heavy iron pipe. At number 2. Spacewood Riva Queen Size Bed. The product requires carpenter assembly and will be provided by the seller. 36 months on manufacturing defects as per warranty card terms and conditions. At number 1. Klassic Single Size Folding Bed. The product is delivered in a pre-assembled state. Give smartness to your bedroom as well as living room with this folding.